All right. The court is calling 2024 CR 3789 and 2024 3800, State of Texas versus Raul Iglesias. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gearhead, Your Honor.
Defense.
James Seeloff for the defense.
And are you Mr. Iglesias?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I never know what to do with the C either. Okay. Counsel, have you received all the discovery?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Iglesias, did you review the documents entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication and Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictments with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictments?
Yes, we waived the reading.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor. Each case, the state is proceeding with the indictments.
All right.
No objection.
And the cause number ending in 3789, you're charged with evading arrest, detention of a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 3800, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And each of these cause numbers, if I were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, and if your deferred adjudication were revoked, and the cause number ending in 3789, you could potentially be sent to prison for up to 10 years and a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 3800, you could potentially be sent to prison for 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Iglesias, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, the state is requesting a $2,000 fine, recommending deferred adjudication. The cause numbers will run concurrently. They're taking in consideration NIMAG number 705-267, 723-983. There's to be restitution to Michael Soto and the cause number ending in 3800. There's also restitution to Olga Teo, Tello, and cause number 723-983. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
That's the plea.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, there has not.
Outside the agreement in the cause number ending in 3789, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. And the cause number ending in 3800, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. In each cause number, that there be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Michael Soto and Olga Teo. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in the cause number ending in 3789, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And in the cause number ending in 3800, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State exhibit number one with all that.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state you may be excused. Oh, do you have documents for me to sign?
I would like to speak to the number of years on deferred. If
Okay.
the state wants to stay and argue with me.
All right, state if you want to be excused and come back to when we get to that point.
Okay, thank you.
Right. All right, Mr. Iglesias, did you review the documents entitled waiver and consent to stipulations of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. And do you wish to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we waive PSI.
And you wish to speak to the length of probation?
Yes, the state has recommended 10 years. Probationary term for the deferred adjudication. This young man is 18 years old. He had a couple of bad days. He lives at home. He does landscaping for employment. He's got a sophomore education, high school up to sophomore year. He says he wants and going to get GED with the help of the probation department. I humbly request that the probationary term be reduced to something like 7 years. By that time, everything should be taken up. And as far as the taken into consideration charge, that was a marijuana, very small amount of marijuana on the TIC, which is a nutmeg number. And the misdemeanor, it has to do with the incident here, failure to stop and give information, I guess it's called. But he's only 18 years old, so I asked the court to take that into consideration. Thank you. Do you want to say anything?
No, ma'am.
All right, why are you driving around in stolen vehicles?
I have no idea, miss. It was just joyriding.
All right, so you have no idea. So where did you take the vehicle from?
I actually bought the vehicle, but I knew that it was stolen.
All right, yeah, because nobody buys a vehicle when the ignition is missing, the ignition where you place the key. And my understanding, the steering column was damaged as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So who did you buy it from? And when I say who, what were their ages?
Really, miss, they were like a little bit younger than me. Like they were minors, and I bought it off an account in Instagram. I was
Alright,
added
so-
to a good chat.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
So you're 18, so you bought a stolen vehicle from somebody who's younger than you.
That's fine.
I don't know what the world is coming to.
It's a weird one out there.
So how far did you go in school?
Just sophomore, miss.
All right, so why were you not in school?
I had problems with some of the administrators, so I just
Okay,
decided
so
to.
problems with authority. What's your problem with the administrators? That they told you needed to go to class every day?
No,
So
I-
what was your problem?
I don't know how to, I guess it's just because I wouldn't keep up with the dress code and yeah.
What
Like I
dress
would,
code?
I would wear slides instead of going this.
Well, why
Cool.
would you wear slides to school? And they tell you not to wear slides?
Yeah, I don't know, miss. I just wanted to be in slides.
All right, that makes no sense to me. There are rules for a reason.
Yes, ma'am.
And now,
Act of rebellion.
well, that's a poor choice to lay your flag on. Because at the end of the day, now you're before me, you're 18 years old, you have 2 felonies. And you don't even have a high school diploma.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to go back to school. I'm
And
trying to get
I
my
will tell you,
GED.
when I was growing up, having a high school diploma, you could go get you a nice, as my mom would call it, plant job, and you would be there forever and it'd be enough to support you. Now, sometimes if you have your high school diploma and your undergraduate, people will tell you your undergraduate degree is not enough. You need a master's, then you need a doctor's. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You are at the crossroads of your life right now. And either you're going to end up going to prison or either you're going to end up turning your life around. If you go to prison, guess what? They have a place for you. There's always money in somebody's budget to build another prison, and they'll have a place waiting right for you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any children?
No,
Yes, thank you.
ma'am.
So who are you going to be staying with if you're released?
My mom.
And does your mom want you there?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the rules. Your mom, that's her house. It's not your house.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to follow her rules. If she wants you in the house at a certain time, you need to be there. If she wants the television off, you need to turn it off because that is not your house. Do not bring girlfriends and these random people to her home. That is her sanctuary. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And help around the house, clean, cook her meal. Because I'm assuming she works
Yes, ma'am.
and she did not anticipate that her son would be at the jail with felony charges for buying a vehicle that's stolen from someone who's younger than him. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In the cause number ending in 3789, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $2,000 fine. That will be probated.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 3800. Take in consideration night mag number 705267. County Court 11723983.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be restitution, if any, to Olga Teo in cause number 723983. There's to be no contact with Olga Teo. Have you ever used any drugs?
No, ma'am.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the defensive driving course.
Delays like this can drag a case out for months. Imagine living with charges hanging over your head because a lab is backed up. Question for you. Is slow but thorough justice better than fast but sloppy? This is the accountability hammered. Sober meetings, receipts required. Judges love paper trails. Miss even one, and credibility nosedives.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. And I'm going to order, you're going to obtain your GED. Once you have your GED, 100 hours of your community service will be waived. And then you're either going to go to somebody's college or either you're going to go to somebody's trade school. And I would suggest plumbing or welding. They always need welders and plumbers. Guess what? People will only call a plumber usually when there's an emergency. So they're not going to quibble with price. So, and then, so if he's in a trade school and he obtains his certificate, then I'll waive the remaining of the 100 hours. I'm going to want field visits one time per month for 4 months. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else that's needed in that cause number?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Next, we're going to move on to the cause number ending in 3800. There's going to be a $2,000 fine. That will be probated.
Thank you.
This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 3789. Take in consideration NIMAG number 705-267, County Court Cause number 723-983. There's to be restitution to Michael Soto and Olga Teo, and no contact with Michael Soto and Olga Teo. 2 years deferred adjudication. 200 hours of community service restitution. Again, I'm going to require you to obtain your GED, and 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And then another 100 hours for completion of trade school or higher education. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. Defensive driving. Field visits. 1 time per month for 4 months. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else in that?
Judge, I just wanted to get clarification from the state in regards to the restitution in this one.
Well, there's.
Both cases restitution from Olga Mateo, Judge.
Yes. And then in each cause number, I'm going to require TAP evaluation. That can be done out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll begin with outpatient treatment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, probation, is there anything else? All right, Mr. Iglesias, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's my theft course for you. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. If somebody invites you to a party, make sure that they are allowed to bring a +1. If they're not, that means that you're not invited. If you ever go to a location and somebody asks you to leave, leave. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And don't break the law. Follow the rules.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you could find yourself in prison. All right, in this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. Keep in touch with your probation officer. If you have an issue, if you see that you're going to use drugs, let them know. We are here to make sure that you are successful on probation. If you feel as though they're not addressing an issue that you have, you can always come back to the court and address it with me. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Anne Marie Alvarez, Alexandria. Who's the attorney? Who's the attorney for Anne Marie Alvarez, Alexandria?
Alexandria, Alabama.
All right,
Anne Marie got me.
all right, thanks.
Sir, I didn't know your name.
Joseph Upheld, but
All right, what is happening with this case?
it's being TIC to dismissal judge standard.
Oh, thank you. Yes,
It looks like this case was filed at large. We'd already heard on other cases from the same date, so
Okay.
this case, guys, this.
okay,
we would have done
awesome.
it at the time.
I was wondering why she was back. I'm like, no.
Yeah.
All right. And I bet you were like, no.
I was.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court, and there you are.
I got it.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes.